Hey there, Beagle enthusiasts. If you've got a beagle with a stomach that acts more dramatic than a soap opera, this video is for you. Beagles are adorable, smart, and full of energy. But let's face it, their stomachs can sometimes be high maintenance. Today, we're sniffing out the best dog foods for the beagle with a sensitive stomach. Why? Because we love these little detectives, even when they're giving us the "I ate the wrong thing, and now I regret it" face. Let's jump in and get their tails wagging with some tummy-friendly options. Why do beagles have sensitive stomachs? Beagles have a nose for trouble, and by trouble I mean anything they can eat, even if they shouldn't. Whether it's allergies, poor digestion, or that one time they devoured a bag of chips you accidentally left on the couch. Their stomachs often pay the price. But don't worry, we're about to reveal the top foods that'll keep their bellies happy and your rugs safe. Top 5 best dog foods for beagles with sensitive stomachs. Let's get to the good stuff. The top 5 best dog foods for your beagle's sensitive stomach. Spoiler alert, these options are so good, your dog might think you're serving them Michelin-starred meals. Hill's Science Diet Sensitive Stomach and Skin. Think of this as the yoga retreat for your beagle's tummy. Gentle, soothing, and packed with all the zen they need to digest like a pro. Purina Pro Plan Sensitive Skin and Stomach with Salmon. Salmon? Yes, please. It's like sushi night, but for your beagle. And the best part? No chopsticks required. Royal Canin Medium Digestive Care. Royalty deserves royal treatment. This food is designed to make your beagle feel like the king or queen of digestion. Blue Buffalo Basics Limited Ingredient Diet. Simple ingredients, big results. Perfect for the beagle who doesn't want drama at dinner time. Just good vibes and a full belly. Wellness Simple Natural Limited Ingredient Diet. This one keeps it straightforward, no extras, no nonsense. Ideal for the beagle with a stomach that's as particular as their love for treats. Shout out to other dogs. Now, I know some of you might be watching with other breeds in your home giving you side eye like, what about me? Don't worry, Papillons, Golden Retrievers, and German Shepherds, you're amazing too. But today is Beagle Day. Go steal a snack while your beagle gets the spotlight. It's what they do. A quick look at top 10 amazing dog video. Before we wrap up, let's appreciate the internet's greatest gift, dog videos. From beagles sniffing out their owner's car keys to golden retrievers awkwardly falling into pools. Here are my top 10 favorite dog moments. A beagle stealing pizza in slow motion. Papillons outsmarting a baby gate. German Shepherds trying to whisper bark. Because honestly, dogs are proof that life doesn't need to be taken too seriously. Just like your beagle's food adventures. Wrap it up with encouragement. And there you have it. Our top picks for keeping your beagle's belly happy and their tail wagging. Remember, a happy beagle equals a happy home. If you found this video helpful, or if you just enjoyed watching me try to keep up with this little sniff machine, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us create more dog-friendly content, and let's face it, your beagle probably wants you to click that subscribe button too. Until next time, keep your beagle fed, your furniture safe, and your sense of humor intact. See you soon.